Here's how to organize your Pinterest account properly. First, you want to launch open the Pinterest app. Make sure to sign into your account. Now you want to tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Over here, if you scroll down, you're going to find a section called Unorganized Ideas. If you want to organize this, tap on the Organize option. Now go ahead and select the pins. Then you want to tap on the next option. Now you want to add these pins to a board. If you want, you can create a new one. To do that, you can simply enter in the board name. Now tap on Done. Now your pins will be more organized. Next thing you want to do is merge similar boards. If you have multiple boards cluttering your profile that cover the same topic, then you want to open up that existing board, then tap on the three dots. Here find the option of Merge. Now select the destination board to instantly combine them. Finally, you can rearrange your profile display. To do that, you want to tap on the sort icon. Now find the option of auto sort. Then you can decide if you want to organize your board alphabetically by last saved, newest or oldest. Once your pins and boards are rearranged, the profile will look completely seamless and polished. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.